Continue to crochet the chick's hand. First, yarn over, form a loop. Make a knot. Chain 7 CH7. After finishing, go back to the second stitch. This is the first. Go back to the second stitches. Front loop only for crocheting. Make a slip stitch sew street. After pulling the yarn through, pull through the loop on the hook. This is a slip stitch. In the next stitch, make a single crochet as C. After the single crochet, yarn over into the next stitch. Pull yarn through. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops for a half double crochet HDC. Yarn over again. Go into the next stitch. Pull yarn through. First, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Make a double crochet DC. Pull the yarn into the next stitch. Make a half double crochet. Now at our tipping position. The last stitch. Crochet 3 single crochets into this stitch. After the 3 single crochets are done, turn to the other side. Pay attention. In this big hole here, we just made 3 single crochets. On this side, there is a strand like this. Just like this strand, but it's not very clear. And into this stitch, do not crochet anymore. Yarn over with the hook. Skip this stitch. Do not crochet. In the next, this stitch, when going through this front loop, go through from this hole. Come through, yarn over. This is a half double crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch. Make a double crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch. Make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, making a single crochet. The last stitch. Make a slip stitch. Give the yarn tail at the back a little pull. This is one of the chick's little hands. Then pull the yarn a little. Cut. This yarn tail's at the back. If it wasn't woven in while crocheting, then weave it in yourself with this needle. Woven it in like this. Cut it off after weaving it through a few stitches. The chick's little hand. Need to crochet 2. Then take out the 3.0 millimeters hook from the materials kit and the orange yarn. First, yarn over and pinch a loop. Pinch tightly, insert hook through this loop. Pull yarn through. Chain 1 CH1. After chaining 1, make a single crochet into this loop. Pull yarn through. This is the first single crochet. Then the V shape formed next to it. The 2 strands are the stitches of the first single crochet. Place a marker. This is the first single crochet. Continue to crochet 5 more into this ring. Look! Here is the first stitch, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. The one on the hook does not count. After 6 are done, tighten the loop. Then go into the first stitch, where the marker is. Pull yarn through, slip stitch, pull tight, yarn over. Crochet the second row. Into the first stitch, crochet a single crochet increases. This is the first single crochet. Place a marker. Crochet another single crochet into the same stitch. Also, a single crochet increases. A total of 6 sets. First set. Second set. While crocheting, place this yarn tail over the hook and hold it with your fingers. Then, while crocheting, remember not to crochet into this strand. After 6 sets are done, you can count these stitches. There are a total of 12 stitches in this round. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. Pull tight on the yarn tail at the back as well. After finishing, crochet the third round. First, crochet to single crochets. Mark the first stitch. First, crochet to single crochets. Then crochet to single crochet increases. This is the first increase. This is the second increase. After finishing, crochet 2 more single crochets. This is the first set on the remaining stitches on this side. Crochet 1 more set. First, crochet to single crochets. Crochet a single crochet increased. First. Second. After the 2 single crochet increases are done, 2 stitches remaining, crochets to single crochets. After finishing, slip stitches to the first stitch. Pull tight. After chaining 1, cut the yarn. The chick's beak is finished. Use this large eye needle to weave in the yarn tail. Find the vertical lines. Then go through the vertical lines. After weaving it in securely, cut the yarn. Continue using the orange yarn and this 3.0 millimeters hook to crochet one of the chick's feet. First, make a knot with this yarn. After making the knots, insert hooks through the loop. Chain 5 CH5. After finishing, find the front loop only of the second stitch and insert hook. Make a slip stitch directly. Don't pull these slip stitches too tight. Make for slip stitches. After finishing, continue to chain 5. Using the same method as before, find the second stitch. Make for slip stitches. Then continue to chain 5. Go back to the second stitch. Make for slip stitches. Repeat this a total of 3 times. After repeating 3 times, find this stitch with the yarn tail. Make a slip stitch. Good. Lengthen the loop. This is one of the duckling's feet, or the chick's foot. Repeat the previous method to crochet. Crochet another foot. After finishing to feet, woven in this yarn tail on the back. If the yarn tail is not long, just because this is connected at this position. Connected at the bottom of the base piece. Find the wrong side. This is the right side. This one is the wrong side. Use the glue stick to apply a little glue here. A little glue is enough. Then attach this yarn to it. Then cut.